All right, so bittersweet day. It's the last day of riding on the trip. It's gonna feel nice to get off the bike. This is about the time that I would normally take a day off. But we're gonna see some cool stuff in the last day. Gonna go past Crazy Horse, Memorial, Mount Rushmore, and then exit out to Rapid City. And the majority of it's going to be downhill. We have some climbing, but they're kind of smaller hills, so we'll be descending from, we got all the way up to I think 5,500 feet yesterday, just before we went downhill to Custer. So we're gonna go back down to 3,000 feet, so it'll be hopefully a nice coasting day, unlike yesterday that was just climbing for 40 miles. Yeah, so we're leaving Custer now. One thing, if you're gonna visit Custer, FYI, everything, I mean everything except for Pizza Hut, closes at 9 p.m. Restaurants, bars. So it's really hard to find a place to eat. We rolled in last night, we came into town at 9 o'clock and everything was closed. The only thing that was open was Pizza Hut, and that was just till 10. So we ended up eating there. Just a FYI, and that was on a Friday night, which seems kind of crazy to me. All right, well, we're on the Mickelson Trail, and I think we'll be on it for another 15 miles or so until we turn off to go to Mount Rushmore. Oh yeah, and it's only gonna be 85 today. That's 10 degrees less than yesterday, so we're definitely looking forward to that as well.
It's gonna be like a cold front for us today. We'll take it.
Yeah. Hey, 8:21. All right, we're approaching Crazy Horse, which also means we're about done climbing.
That's crazy.
2 days of climbing, and that is crazy. And there's Crazy Horse. When I was in Boy Scouts, we went to summer camp out here one year, and we got to walk to the top of it and see them as they were working. It was really cool. I remember there being a couple like old dynamite sheds up there. It was pretty neat. We walked up, there's a road up along the back side of it. Pretty cool experience. They've been working on it a long time. Hopefully they get it done eventually. All right, I think this little tunnel under the road signifies our descent. It's all downhill from here. All right. Spooky. Oh my God, descending is awesome. Oh, so nice. off the Mickelson trail. Now we're on, I think, 244, headed to Mount Rushmore. It's a bit hilly, but we have some descents throughout. We're in the middle of a climb right now. I think there's like 3 major climbs. And then the majority of it's downhill. So just taking it one step at a time. We're stopped and refueling so we can make it up the rest of the way, and had to put in some sunscreen because it's getting really bright out here. It's beautiful scenery the whole way. We ran into this thing when we were riding across Nebraska. We are just taking a breather here on our way to Rapid City. It's up and down. Actually, I shouldn't say it's up and down. I should say it's up and up and up again. A whole lot of climbing, twisty, turny roads on the way, and it's hot as hell too. It's at least 95 degrees. But I think we just came over the second of 3 kind of humps that we're gonna hit on the way to Rapid City, where we have to do some climbing. So we're almost home free. I think the last 12 miles or so is relatively flat once you're out of the Black Hills. And we're just taking it one step at a time, walking, stopping for breaks and shade. So we just had some guy pass us on a carbon fiber bike, like we were standing still going up a hill, and he wasn't even out of breath. It was pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. I'm pretty sure each of my panniers weighs as much as his bike, so I think we're gonna gear up and head up some more hills. Alright, so we've only got about 16 miles left, and we have one major hill to climb. And we're just procrastinating. Sitting outside this RV park, having a little snack, get some energy, but we're just procrastinating. We don't want to go up and over it, but we want to be there. So we're gonna make an attempt. We're also back on the highway, so I imagine the grade will be a little bit better. Here goes nothing. Alright, we finally made it. Job well done. Bike tour's over. Time to get the rental car and head home. So until next time.
What a ride.
Yep. Bye.